thank you very much for the nice introduction. So I will give you a short information about the possibilities to use different gear types, in special for the vertical roller mills. I will start. So where we come from and where we are, because more or less that is something what nobody knows. The name Santasalo is quite new on the market, but we come later to this point. We are leading expert in mechanical power and transmission globally, so we are a worldwide company. We are very keen in the power transmission for heavy duty and other applications. And we also offer complete service for gears, overhaul and maintenance for the complete package. Where we are come from, so we have 125 years experience on the market, so it's not so young. If I see a lot of companies here are growing very fast in the last years, very nice. So we are since 1887 are on the market with several names. You see from the try the right one, from the left to the right are a long history of different names and combined names. And you see one of the oldest is the name Sauerwald, that is based in Wuppertal, where I come from. And this is in the history of the company the oldest name. And nowadays we are running under the name Santasalo, which is a well-known name in most of the industries, more or less in the moment not in cement, but this we hope to change in the future. Our global footprint, here you can see, so we are a real company which can offer service and new business worldwide. We are located in Americas, South Americas, Europe, Australia, and also in China. Our production facilities are located in Finland and Germany, and we have also one facility in China where we're producing some smaller gearboxes for the Asian market. Coming to the point, what I want to show you today, it's a little bit about upgrade and modernization, more or less coming from the service business or service idea. So our engineering expertise allows us to offer upgrade of gearboxes from Santasalo gearboxes or also from competitor gearboxes. We are ISO certified manufacturing facilities in our 3 places. And our service, we can provide increased process speed, higher throughput, innovative capacity utilization, lower levels of noise and vibration, and reduce utility further enhancing processes. In general, coming to the point vertical roller mill, does it mean so we can offer a wide range of vertical roller mill gearboxes. We have, in the moment, more than 100 units are running for cold grinding, more or less. We have also some gearboxes running for clinker and also cement. We have developed a wide range of high-efficient bevel-planetary gearboxes, and our service team is service and design team is for this application is very special. You can see a small overview about the different gearboxes we are still in our portfolio. So more or less for all cold mill applications we can offer something, maybe also for some cement application. Increasing efficiency, it's a wide range, and in this case we want to show you a little bit what is possible with the newest technology. Older VRM units are often used bevel-helical gear units, more or less in coal milling. It's very popular because of this cheap design. This efficiency of the units, this bevel-helical units, is poor against the newest design of bevel-planetary gearboxes. The difference you can see here is this is one bevel-helical gear, old-fashioned design, and the bevel-planetary, which is newest high technology inside. To make the calculation about this gearbox and the losses and where it comes from, we have a bevel-helical unit, we have a bevel stage, we have losses inside of the gear unit around 1.5%. We have 3 helical stages, which means we have around losses from 3%. That means the total loss in the gearbox, we have 4.5% losses only for the gears and bearings. The cooling power demand of a bevel-helical gearbox is around 22.5 kW, and that means, to make this calculation round, power demand of motor at 8% load means 400 kW that we set as a base. If you look for a newest planetary design, we have the same bevel stage, we have the same losses, that's 1.5%, but we have only one planetary stage inside. That means only 1% losses in the planetary stage. That means the total losses in planetary gearbox is only 2.5% against 4.5% from the bevel-helical gearbox. The cooling power demand also will be reduced down to 12.5 kW. So that means the power demand of motor at the same power output at 8% load of the vertical roller mill gearbox means only 392 kW. Putting these numbers together, you see we have the losses of a bevel-planetary gearbox is around 2.5%. The losses of a bevel-helical unit is 4.5%. Calculated down, the reduced power demand of a bevel-planetary gearbox is 8 kW, what we have reduced by changing the gearbox design. The cooling capacity we have reduced by 10 to 10 kW. That means the total efficiency of the gearbox is much better than bevel-helical gearbox. That means, what does it mean in savings? So we only calculate the power demand for 8 kW. That means savings per day, if I use this new design, it's around 190 kW, so it's more or less okay. Per month, I have 5,760 kW per year. I can save with the right design and the newest design around 69,000 kW per year. If I calculate with 5 cents, it's not too much, but in total, if you look this kind of savings, which comes directly off the gearbox, will help you also to reduce a little bit your cost in the plant. What facts we have? We have exchange of the bevel-helical against planetary gearbox. It will reduce the complete power demand. The gearbox bevel-planetary gearbox can be changed easily against the old bevel-helical design. The bevel-planetary gearbox, due to the design, it's smaller, so it fits directly in the old installation space. So you have nothing to change in the complete package. Oil supply system, the oil supply system can be used from the older bevel-helical unit due to the lower cooling capacity. So there's also nothing to change. Exchange can be done in a plant maintenance period very easily because the gearbox are more or less ready designed for most of the sizes. And Santasalo can take over the complete planning, exchange of the unit, life maintenance, and this we can done completely. What we can offer together with the exchange of a gearbox, we also offer CMAS and CMS systems. This prevents unexpected disturbances. So we normally use this now for all vertical roller mill gearboxes we sell on the market. We have re-equipped some older gearboxes also from our competitors with this system, which give you a very good overview about the actual situation of the gearbox. This prolongs lifetime of machinery. The system can help you to plan the service breaks. The system itself will quick return on investment, and will give you a great savings potential for the customer, because you can also extend your oil change intervals. You will see all the problems inside of the gearbox very early. And it's reduced also cost for hiring specialists for site visits. Because this system, it's an independent system which gives all the information to the specialist via internet, so that you can see, or we can see every day what happens with the gearbox, and we can offer directly service if it's necessary. To help this system will help you to reduce the cost as much as possible. This CMOS system is the complete difference to all or most of the systems on the market, is that we are checking also the oil quality during the process. The CMOS system continually monitors gear unit in real time. That means we, in our head office, we can see every time what is going on with the gearbox, and we are also counting particles with the system that will be sent to our system by every 50 minutes, so that is the part we can offer. And our CMOS engineers can catch the problems at the right stage, so we can see a lot earlier a problem inside of the gearbox, as you can see it at site by only checking the vibration of the gearbox. Santasalo, give you a small summary. So we are a solution provider. We are not only a gearbox manufacturer. Our brand, it's well known on the market. We have changed a lot due to the names, but now Santasalo is the name we are going forward. Our manufacturing and service capabilities, deliver world-class offering or quality products, and we are flexible and innovative in this business, so we are also offering special gearboxes to your special demand. We build partnerships with our customers, so we don't want to be only the one with you buy a gearbox. We will be a partnership, so that means we try to offer you a long historic partnership then, and we try to be number one in the choice of your gearbox supplier in the future. That's all. Very short presentation, so more time for questions. Okay.